Welcome to my YouTube channel Perth Brightside. Before starting this video, I am not any consultant or Mara agent. The information I am providing based on my experience and knowledge. If you found my information wrong, please help me to correct it. Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today's video will give you full information about South Australia state nomination requirements, so please watch this video till end. On 14th of July, 2021, South Australia has updated their nomination requirement. Let's have a look. What are those updates? What are the requirements? 1. The applicant has to show a genuine interest and intention to live and work in South Australia. In submitting your application, you are indicating that you intend to live and work in South Australia with a view to long-term settlement. 2. If you are in Australia but not currently residing in South Australia, you can only apply through the Talent and Innovator employment stream. 3. If you are currently residing offshore, check South Australia's skilled occupation list to see your occupation is available to offshore applicants. I have mentioned official website links in my description. Please check it for more details. 4. Eligible offshore applicants must submit a registration of interest (ROI) application. Please check my description for more information. 5. You must be under age 45 at time of nomination. Let's check all requirements in details. Following things you need to make sure in your skill assessment. 1. You must have a valid and positive general skilled migration skills assessment from the relevant authority. Skills assessments must be for your nominated occupation. 2. Skills assessments must have been issued within the last 3 years, or if the skills assessing authority has specified a shorter validity period, the skills assessment is only valid until that specified date. Work experience requirements. 1. Skilled work experience must be undertaken post-course completion and is defined as a minimum of 20 hours per week or 40 hours per fortnight of paid employment in your nominated or closely related occupation. 2. The position must be paid at the appropriate rate for the skill level. 3. Applicants already working in South Australia and South Australian graduates may be eligible for exemptions or waivers to the work experience requirement, as specified in the occupation requirements. 4. For South Australian work experience, the employer must have a demonstrable presence in South Australia, where the employer is located outside of South Australia. English requirement. 1. If you are currently working in a skilled occupation in South Australia, you are required to have at least competent English. 2. Some skills assessing authorities may have higher English language requirements that you will be required to meet. Please check with your skills assessing authority prior to applying. I have mentioned its link in my description. Please check it for more information. Which stream has priority? 1. Talent and Innovators Program. 2. Currently working in South Australia. 3. International graduate of South Australia. Let's understand the requirement in detail. But before that, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel so you don't miss any update. If you are currently living and working in South Australia, you may qualify for this stream and additional concessions and waivers. It will be dependent on 1. How long you have been residing and working in South Australia. 2. Your nominated occupation. 3. If you are living and working in outer regional South Australia. Let's check all the cases and scenarios. Case 1. What if you are currently living and working in South Australia? 2. You must be working at least 20 hours per week or 40 hours per fortnight in your nominated or closely related occupation in South Australia. 3. If you are applying for subclass 491 nomination, you must be currently working for the last 6 months in South Australia, unless specified differently for your occupation. 4. If you are applying for subclass 190 nomination, you must be currently working for the last 12 months in South Australia, unless specified differently for your occupation. 5. If you are a 457, 482 or 494 visa holders with more than 12 months remaining on your visa, you must provide a letter from your current employer consenting to your state nomination application. Case 2. What if you are living and working in regional South Australia? 1. If you are currently residing and working for the last 12 months in outer regional South Australia in any occupation, you may be eligible to be nominated for a 491 visa nomination. 2. If you are currently residing and working for the last 24 months in outer regional South Australia in any occupation, you may be eligible to be nominated for 190 visa nominations. 3. If you are currently residing and working in outer regional South Australia and you are unable to meet the published requirements, you can still submit a registration of interest for the Talent and Innovators program. Case 3. If you are living and working in South Australia as a long-term resident. Now, what if you are not working in your nominated or closely related occupation, but you are working in other skilled occupations? Are you still eligible for state nomination? And the answer is yes. Let's see how you are eligible in this scenario. Option 1. International graduates and partners. How you may eligible for subclass 491 and subclass 190 nomination. Let's check. 1. You have resided continuously in South Australia for the last 3 years. 2. You are currently working for the last 12 months in South Australia in a skilled occupation that is not your nominated occupation. 3. Your 12-month skilled work experience in South Australia must be at least 20 hours per week or 40 hours per fortnight. 4. If you have recently commenced working in your nominated or closely related occupation, but have 12 months of work experience in other skilled occupations, you are still eligible to apply. 5. Lower skilled occupations such as cleaners, drivers, kitchen hands are not eligible. 6. Applicants working as massage therapists must be working in a hospital, aged or disability care setting or an allied healthcare setting, such as a physiotherapy clinic. 7. A 190 nomination will be considered on a discretionary basis if you are working full-time in highly skilled position and earning at least $80,000 per annum. Option 2. Other temporary visa holders. 1. You have resided continuously in South Australia for the last 5 years. 2. You are currently working for the last 12 months in South Australia in a skilled occupation that is not your nominated occupation. 3. Your 12-month skilled work experience in South Australia must be at least 20 hours per week or 40 hours per fortnight. 4. Lower skilled occupations such as cleaners, drivers, kitchen hands are not eligible. 5. Applicants working as massage therapists must be working in a hospital, aged or disability care setting or an allied healthcare setting, such as a physiotherapy clinic. 6. Applicants are eligible for a 491 nomination only. Option 3. Safe Haven Enterprise Visa holders. 1. You have resided in South Australia for at least 5 years and continue to reside in South Australia. 2. You must be currently working for the last 12 months in South Australia in any occupation. 3. Your 12 months work experience in South Australia must be at least 20 hours per week or 40 hours per fortnight. 4. Applicants are eligible for a 491 nomination only. Please check description for more information and official website links. This is the end of today's video. I hope you like it. Please press like and subscribe the channel for more updates. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.